An FX option is the right but not the obligation to change one currency for another at an agreed price at an agreed date in the future. That's all it is. The BIS survey said in 2013, which was the latest one, that there was over 300 billion US dollars equivalent going through the FX option market per trading day. That is larger than the flow through the world's equity exchanges. What happens is that Asia wakes up and there's a certain amount of trading, and then Europe and London come online, the level picks up, and then for about 2 hours over just after lunch, when New York and London are all trading, that's the very highest volume. And I managed to get some figures from our own flow, which shows this really, really beautifully. Then it starts to tail off a little bit. The end of the London day is the end of the high flow, and then America will continue a bit, New York, then San Francisco will put it to bed. And then you've got just a few hours where very little happens before Asia wakes up again. And one of the reasons it's so large is it is this 24-hour market. Can one make money systematically buying or selling options? Turns out you can. Now, I'm not recommending that this is a surefire trading strategy, because while selling short-dated options is profitable long-term, of course it's playing with fire. It has very severe drawdowns, and so I would not recommend that as a kind of naked strategy. Nevertheless, over the long term it has a positive return, so if you can work out how to limit your losses, that might be part of a reasonable investment strategy. Buying some long-dated options, in particular put options, that's also historically been a great and a positive return strategy. But it's not a get-rich-quick strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick strategy. You can't buy it and then the next day see a profit. You must wait that year. So there's certainly opportunities, but it's not of the nature of, oh, here's the secret formula, let's go and start a hedge fund. It's actually something that's there for the more thoughtful investor, I would say.